Most people treat AI like a search engine. Type a short query, accept whatever comes back, conclude AI is mediocre. AI is not a search engine. It is a conversation partner. Quality of response is directly tied to quality of input. Input, vague output. Specific input, specific output. 5 components of a good prompt. 1. Role. Tell the AI who to pretend to be. You are a senior marketing consultant. 2. Context. Tell the AI about your situation. I run a roofing business in Atlanta with 8 employees. 3. Task. State clearly what you want done. Write me an email to a homeowner who just had a hailstorm. 4. Constraints. Tell the AI the limits. Keep it under 200 words. Friendly but professional. 5. Format. Tell the AI how you want the output. 3 versions so I can pick the best one. A prompt with all 5 produces dramatically better results than write a marketing email. Here is what a real conversation looks like. You ask the AI a question with all 5 components. The AI responds. The response is good, but not perfect. You refine. This part is generic. Dig deeper here. This closing is hallmark. Make it more honest. The AI revises. You refine again. After 3 or 4 exchanges, you have something better than either you or the AI would produce alone. This is the rhythm. Not single question, single answer. Back and forth conversation, common beginner mistakes, vague prompts, accepting first responses as final, arguing with the AI when it gets something wrong, trusting facts you cannot verify, expecting AI to know you when you have not told it about you. When AI gets it wrong, don't get frustrated. Tell the AI specifically what's wrong, reprompt with more context. Tonight, try a real conversation. Pick something small. Use the 5 component structure. Refine until it lands. Once you do it once with intention, you understand the rhythm. In the next lesson, we wrap up the course.